Hi, Steve here. In this video, we're going to back up a WordPress installation using the Cpanel interface. So if you log into your hosting account, I'm using Bluehost here, and go to Files, Backups, and click the backup icon. And if you just scroll down the screen here, you can see, now I've actually got several WordPress installations on here, and you choose the WordPress installation you want to back up, and you just click it. Now that opens up a window here, and you can see it's going to save the file as an archive file, and it's going to save it to your default download location on your PC. Now you can set that in Firefox, which is the browser I'm using. So we just save the file, and it's not a very big file, so it's quite quick. So download's complete. Now, I recommend you go to the download location, whatever that is, and then you move the backup into its own backup file, backup folder, so you keep all the backups in one place. But there it is, very simple to do a WordPress backup using the Cpanel interface. Okay, until next time, bye. Bye.